Because if it means more time that I have to go repair something, that's less time I get to give to my wife. If it's more stress I have towards something because I now have to repair it or I have to fix it, that's less time and it's more likable. Like I could be easily more angry and take that out on Haley. God, forbid that were to happen. Like I get really mad over something so stupid. You know what I mean? Like if I can avoid that stress, just avoid it. Just avoid it. I think that just makes the most sense.